This is a review of the Ryobi 18-volt charger that I would highly recommend. This is for if you own any Ryobi accessory, pretty much from a drill, pretty much from a flashlight, or pretty much from any accessory from Ryobi, then you know that a charger is very a necessity to have, because you need that charger to charge up your device, all of your devices. So if you own any brand from Ryobi, then this charger is very important to have. And you can see here that it comes with the adapter itself. The wire is very long as well too. It's a long cord that goes very far, so you don't have to worry about it charging. So that's one thing I like about it. Other than that, the charger itself, it performs very well. It charges fast. You can see here the battery life. It tells you the do's and the don'ts of what you should do or what you should not do. It tells pretty much all that stuff right here. But other than that, I've been using this for quite a while now. This battery charger has been working perfectly and fine. I would highly recommend this Ryobi 18-volt charger. If you are wanting to charge up your devices and accessories, then this charger is probably important to have, and I would definitely recommend it.